بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we are going to go through these four letters. We have Mim, Noon, Waw, and Ha. Mim, Noon, Waw, and Ha. Inshallah, let's jump into it. So we have Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon, Mim, Noon, Mim, Noon, Mim, Noon, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon. This one, I hope you remember it. Yes, it is Jim. Then we have Mim, Mim. Then we have this one. I hope you remember it. Yes, it is Ha. Then we have Noon. And these two, I'm gonna wait for you to read them. Yes, it is Dal and Dhal. Dal and Dhal. Then we have Waw, Waw, Ha, Ha. Waw, Waw, Ha, and Ha. Waw, Ha, Waw, Ha. Mim, Waw, Noon, Ha. Waw, Waw, Ha, Ha. Sin, Mim. Shin, Noon, Sad, Ha, Sad, Ha. Mim, Bod, Mim, Bod. Noon, Ta, Noon, Ta. Ha, Ha, Ha. Waw, Waw. Noon, Noon. Mim, Mim. Kha, Noon, Kha. Mim, Kha. Mim. Waw and Waw. I hope you remember these ones. Yes, they are Za and Za. Then we have Dhal and Dhal. Dhal, Dhal. Let's go through them one more time. We have Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon, Mim, Noon, Mim, Noon, Mim, Noon, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon. Jim, Mim, Ha, Noon, Dal, and Dhal. Waw, Waw, Ha, Ha. Waw, Ha. Waw, Ha. Mim, Waw. Noon, Ha. Waw, Waw. Ha, Ha. Sin, Mim. Shin, Noon, Sad, Ha, Sad, Ha. Mim, Bod, Mim, Bod. Noon, Ta, Noon, Ta. Ha, Ha, Ha. Waw, Waw. Noon, Noon. Mim, Mim. This one, I hope you remember it. Yes, it is kha. Then we have noon. And this one, do you remember it? We just mentioned it right here. Yes, it is kha. Then we have mim. Then we have again same thing here, kha. Then we have mim, waw, za, and dhal. Inshallah, as always, if you have not understood the lesson, please go through it again and again until you feel you are comfortable. Inshallah, ma'asalama. See you in the next lesson.